So in the second subtask of the Hangman project, we will be displaying blanks. So for example, let's say I have a 3-letter word called toy. Then we have to make sure the program prints out 3 blanks. For example, over here they've been practice, for which we'll be printing the same number of blanks. So let's look at how the code works. First, we're going to import the time and random module, and similar to the previous subtask, we have the same function over here, which is going to choose a random word. And now let's come to the word display function. Here we are taking the word chosen over here as an input to the function, and then first we're going to initialize the display word as empty, and then we're going to run a for loop. For I in word, that is for each letter in word, we're going to print out display word is equal to display word plus blank. So after running through each letter in the word, we're going to print out a dash. Then we're going to return this display word variable back to the main function. And in the main function, we have called the choose word function. And then here we are printing out the word chosen. And now we are passing the word display function. So let's run through this with a simple example. Let's say my word is toy, or maybe barn. Let's say it's barn, B-A-R-N, barn. So first iteration of the loop, what will happen is this will be an empty space. For the first iteration, we're going to print out empty space plus dash. So it'll be this. And for the second iteration, we're at the letter A, and we're going to print out one more underscore and give another gap. And then for the third iteration, we're going to print out R, and similarly till N. And therefore, we have 4 blanks over here, which corresponds to number of letters which we chose, which is 4. So this program basically gives us the initial blanks where the user can guess the word. So let's run this code once. So you can see the word is programming, and we have equal number of dashes if you count it. Let's just submit this once. So yeah, we have passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.